Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Uliana Alfiani and this is my friends.
My name is Rizka Dwi Anggraini. We are from Informatic Engineering Department.
In here we can give information about how to install Mariadb.
The first, we need laptop to use media to install Mariadb, and then we need Wi-Fi to connect to the internet. The second, we can choose one of the search engine. For example, we want to choose Mozilla Firefox. And in here, we can write to download Mariadb. After we download Mariadb, we can click in here download Mariadb from website to original Mariadb. And then we can choose one of the series from Mariadb. For example, we want to choose Mariadb 10.4 series. Click download in here and wait until download successful. The third of the Mariadb successfully downloaded, run the application. Click OK. Click run in here. And wait to download. And click next button. And the fourth, we can read the license from Mariadb and checklist in here. After that, click next button.
Then you will be taken to the custom setup window, where in this window you can choose whatever Mariadb features you want to install. We recommend that just select it all and then click the next button. Next, you will be asked to create password to use Open Database. And checklist enable access from remote machine for root user can remote Mariadb database and check all use UTF-8 as default server character set. And then click the next button. Then set the service name and port to be used. We suggest you use the default setting only, then click the next button. Next will appear Windows ready to install Mariadb. Please checklist the installation process is complete. And finally, click the
So many ways to install Mariadb. We upload it if there are errors and hopefully useful.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.